Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a couple of different websites which you can use to make money online, and you actually can earn $100 a day from home. Now for this method you don't need any skills or experience particularly, and I'll walk you through this all step by step. But there is one caveat to this. Both of these things we're going to be looking at today, these are actual work from home jobs. So these are not side hustles. These are not things, you can do as and when you like. They are proper jobs, because a number of you have said to me, you like side hustles, different ways to make money online, but is this something which is, guaranteed? Can you actually do something, every single day and work from home? So in today's video I'm going to share with you the websites. I'll show you how it works and basically how you can start making money from home. And look, if you want more resources for actually earning money online and from home, you can come over to my blog. If I click on all the entries here, I have got hundreds of articles on here for different ways to make money. We've got really simple things. We've got Amazon, we have got, you can see, walking on here, testing apps, testing websites and apps, listening to music. There's so many different ways that you can earn online, and it is 100% possible. And the final thing I'll say to you is, if you come over here on any page, I've got a members area. Inside of here there is free resources, there's ebooks, there's PDFs, there's courses for making money online, and we cover affiliate marketing, YouTube, blogging and lots more. So let me jump into the first website and I'll walk you through how you can actually earn $100 a day from home, but it is working. Okay, so after doing a bit of research, I found two different websites and I'm going to share them with you now. So this is the first one and it's called Sykes.com. Now at this moment in time it says United Kingdom, but don't worry about this because they're available in a number of countries. So if I come over here, you want to click on where it says careers. Now on here, if we scroll down the page here, look, our roles, you will benefit from an attractive benefit package, all of this stuff down here. But look, we'll come down here and we'll click on view jobs. And then it takes you through to this page here. Now on here you can see, look, we've got United Kingdom, Egypt, Hungary, Romania, Cyprus, Norway, etc. There's lots of vacancies in lots of places, but I said to you this is all remote. So to change this to work from home, essentially we're just going to type in up here. You can see you can type in work from home or remote. So what I would say with this is type them both in, type in work from home and also type in remote, because basically this keyword here will be in the title. So if I scroll down here, you can see from typing in work from home, we've now got, come down here, 52 vacancies. Now I've come down here, look, home office, home office, home office. Function, it tells you what it will be. Location, you can see Sykes Home, and then it tells you the date, languages and also the employment. So as I mentioned, these are jobs, these are not side hustles, these are proper jobs. But and you can see, look, work at home, Italian customer service role, technical role. Come a bit further on the page here, we've got many more. So look, customer service roles, and what else have we got here? Again, customer service. So you can go through and have a look at any of these. Now if you want to have a look at one of these, in a bit more detail, so like this one here, work at home, customer service, or this one here, again, customer service, all you do is you click on view. Now the cool thing what I found out about this website here is as well, if you come down here, look, you can see the package, what they offer. So this one here is it's a 40-hour contract, perks, it goes over the perks, courses, etc, etc. If I scroll further on the page here, this is what I like about this. So look, what do you need in return? So come down here, they're not specifically asking for any qualification. So it tells you about the responsibilities, so you can go through and have a read of them here. And then it says here, pre-recruitment experience. So what is required? So fluent in English and German in this example, experience of customer service, organisation skills, a minimum of 20 words per minute on a keyboard, etc, etc. And then it goes on to home working requirements. So you can come down here and it just tells you what you will need. So obviously a home space, a computer screen, we've then got obviously internet connection and a landline and a few other bits. And literally all you do is you click on apply now. And it takes you through to the application form and you fill this in. So over on this website here, this Sykes, there is, if I go back over here actually, come back, let me click on back and click on back. And we will go on to here again. So in this example, we've got 100, we had 50 vacancies, didn't we, typing in work from home. So let's type in remote and see if that changes. and then scroll down the page here. Look, remote, we've got one vacancy. So do play around with your keywords up here: remote, work from home, customer service, etc. But if you are looking to work from home with a proper job, this is potentially a great website that you can use. You can find lots of different opportunities on here. So this one here is called Sykes, SYKES.com. The next website I'm going to quickly show you is this one over here, and it's called Conduit. So let me go to the home page so you can see how it looks. So this is the home page when you land on here, and literally we've got jobs.conduit.com. Now scroll down here. Again, similar to Sykes, come a bit further on the page here. Look, they've got lots of different opportunities on here. We've got call center, transactions, customer support, accounting, relationship, etc. So you can go through and click on any of these and it opens them up. But if you want to look at this a bit more, you can see your benefits at a glance. So you actually, it's a job, so you do get paid time off, health and welfare, discount programs, learning, employee development, etc. Okay, so if you want to have a look at the jobs available on this website, we'll come over to the careers page and then click on search. And again, all we're doing here is, you see where it says keywords? We're going to type in, first of all, we'll type in remote, and we'll see what jobs it brings up for this one. So let's scroll down the page here. So we can see these are all remote. And again, it tells you about the actual job. So, and look at this, this is page 1. Let's go to page 6, scroll further on the page. There's more pages basically. So you can go through, you can find hundreds on this website here. And it works exactly the same way. So like this one here, for example, we'll click on here, it opens up, and it tells you, again, look, about Conduit, about the company. Here's the job description. It tells you how much the rate of pay is. Come further on here, the hours you're expected to work. And you can see a typical work week will be 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and could also include a Saturday or a Sunday. And then we've got the requirements. So look, 18 years of age, a diploma or a GED, must pass a criminal background screening, and then we've got description. So, normal stuff. Now, the other cool thing about this website is any of the jobs you're applying for, they have a short video on here. So you can click on play and it will walk you through and tell you, what is expected of you. And then it has a closing statement on here as well. So over on this website here, this Conduit, there's more on here than what I actually found over on this Sykes website over here. But I did want to give you a couple of different options. So you can go through these, and again, we've typed in remote here. Let's just type in work from home. And then just scroll down the page here, and again, look, you can go through, look, inbound sales service advisor, come down here, virtual customer experience associate, come further, and look, again, there's lots of opportunities available on this website. With this keyword work from home, we've got 1,135 live results. So lots on here. The other thing you can do is you can go onto job alerts, and basically you create an account, and then you put in what you're looking for, create an alert, and every time a job with your keywords and what you're looking for comes up, you can simply go ahead and apply for it. But look, overall, that's 2 different websites that you can use to work from home full-time, and in some examples there is part-time jobs available as well. So look, I'm going to put a couple of videos up on the screen for you. There are different ways you can make money online, more like side hustles and things. And if you want to check out other ways to earn online, go over to my blog. It's called Not Taught at School. There's lots of different methods for you. We've got earning online, working from home, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and lots more. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.